what I'm missing here is uh, I'm missing some verticality. Every time create environment, you can have something like this. So, okay, you place your big elements here and you have something like this. And the reason it's not looking good is because I don't have other vertical elements. Everything is too flat. And this goes along with other principles of level design. Like if you have your player here and you have like this, and this is the goal, this is boring. But if you make something like this, just a little bit, and this is the goal, and here's your player, then this one is much more interesting than this one. So adding vertical elements is what give a nice look into our scene. So we're gonna do that now. And the way we're gonna do that is just have some meshes here. Let's just have our medium cleave, maybe one of this. Actually, this one is very big. So what we're gonna do is to scale these ones to be even bigger so that the other one looks smaller. It's like the episode of The Simpsons that says like he wants like strong people and weak, strong guards and weak guards, and they want next to each other so that the stronger ones look stronger and the weak ones look weaker. So this is what we're doing now. So this one, if I hide this one, okay, this is big, but if I have something like this, it may seem like bigger. So what I want to do is to create a path like this, like a vertical path. And I'm going to do that like this. Okay, just like that. And we can actually add other vertical element here in this area. If we place something like this, we can have something like this, and we can duplicate this one. And we can have a shot like this, where we can see from the up view. And what we can do here is actually make this one bigger to follow the sim-sum strategy. And this one's, because it's a group, it's easily, we can just duplicate it just like that. Okay, so this one, we're gonna move it like this, and we can actually keep extending this one something like this. A little bit of overdraw